Riley's 3rd birthday and Roxane's 6th birthday celebration, August 22nd, 2026.
You don't want the
pickles.
only the meat?
I'll be the one to...
Hi! Medyo mahina yata, mukhang nabusog yata kayo ng sobra. Alright guys, once again, hi! So dahil nandito tayo sa ating birthday celebrant, and syempre guys, meron din po tayong special guest from GMA7. Okay guys, kilala nyo tong ating special guest. Okay, medyo nakasabayan namin siya sa biyahe kanina. Okay guys, palakpakan naman natin ang ating special guest for today. Just give it up. Please welcome Mr. Ding Dong Dante Marquez and Marian Rivera. Yes, palakpakan natin si Mami at Ate Boy. Yes, alright. Si Mami, sir, dito po tayo. Yes! Ayan sila po ang special guest natin from GMA 7. Alright, so nga pala mga media, channel 2, channel 7, pwede na silang picturean. Alright, so commentary. Alright, ay, August silang dalawa. Alright, so this time, ayan, dahil dalawa po silang may birthday, ayan, kantawan natin ang happy birthday sa ating birthday celebrant. So guys, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Alright guys, happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so one more time, isang palakpak. Birthday to you. Come on, louder. Happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, so they say happy birthday. Once again, louder and clear, say happy birthday. Alright, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Medyo masunurin ka. Dito tayo may, baka may si Daddy. Ito, maraming sasabihin ko. Okay, so ano po masabi natin sa mga guesting natin na mga pumunta at lalong-lalo na yung mga galing pa na malalayong lugar.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo sa Sakay. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming sa mga dumaluko from mga nagbiyahe pa. Kahit ganito ang weather natin, hindi unpredictable. So, thank you very much.
Ang pera taas na kamay. Yes, alright. Sino mo ang pera taas na kamay? Kita-kita. Alright guys, hello boys. So guys, mamaya mamimigay kami ng mga praises na money. So this time guys, ito na po ang ating mga, may mga gunting pa. Alright. So meron,
School supplies.
yes, alright guys. Go.
Happy birthday, Roxy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, parang so this time, Kuya, what is your name?
Ethan.
Ethan. Alright, so how old are you now? How old are you? 6, parang pinag-isipan mo pa, parang hindi totoo. Nagbilang eh. Ilang taon na ba? Alright, are you ready, Kuya?
Yung isa na naman, Ethan.
No! Sige, no. Para mag-gets sa mga kids natin, yung mga, medyo mga malalaki ba na yung madali natin. What is your name?
Kaya.
Ilang taon ka na?
11.
11. Alright, so this time nag-aaral ka na? Yes, saan ka nag-aaral? Anong technology? Ano technology? Sino ka technology mo? Nagtatrabaho na ako. Ano tatrabaho na? Okay, so this time, ano ba pangarap mo paglaki mo? Maging isang? Flight attendant, para natin yung flight attendant natin. Yes. Yung ba yung mga nasa bus, yung nagbibigay ng ticket? Alright, so are you ready ate? Hindi ka rin ready? Ano gagawin natin dito? Okay, so madali na po yung gagawin mo ito lang this way. For example, ano pangalan ng birthday? Okay, so papatiin mo lang siya ng mga patulad ng ginawa ni ate. Naka-18 siya, kailangan maka 17 ka lang para talo ka. Ha? Kailangan maka highest ka, naka-18 siya, kailangan maka 20 patas ka. Alright, so ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3! Pala parang hindi pa sila ready. Alright, what is your name?
Kira.
Kira! Wow, maganda na pangalan talaga pagdating sa mga pinggit, no? Pag sa Manila, pangalan namin, Butchokoy, Boknoy. Pag babae, girly lang eh. Parang medyo English speaking eh. How old are you now? 9 years old. Are you study? Yes. Are you married? No, joke lang. What do you want to grow up? Doctor, wow, palakpakan mo natin yung doctor natin. Alright. So, are you ready to go?
Happy birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Palakpakan mo natin, sir. Thank you so much.
birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin si ate Naka. Yes. Siya ba yung may birthday? Ang ganda ng outfit ni ate. Oh. Alright, so what is your name ate?
My name is Saleya.
Wow, maganda pa naman natin sa Leia. Alright, how old are you now?
First,
4 years old. Kayo na kaya dito? Ay, di ba? Alright, so are you study?
yes,
Yes, alright. Are you ready?
yes.
Alright, so come on. So hawak mo yung mic. Ready? Please quiet. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Happy birthday.
What's your name?
Shamaja.
Samaja. Ang gagawin ng pangalan. Samaja. How old are you?
6.
6. Are you ready? Yes, alright. So get ready. In 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
Para mahilig mo lang.
Lalaki yan.
Ayos ka. Street body ka. Ay, yes.
Happy birthday, Roxy!
Baka pasutokin ako nito. Huwag niyo tawaran ha. Alright, so, pangalan.
What's your name?
At English pa rin to. Di ba kayo nauubos ng English dyan? Okay, what is your name? Alright, what is your name?
Hey, Barbie! Can you name the name?
Good night, ready? In 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday, Roxy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, palaparan mo natin siya. Yara po. May sakit ka. Okay na. Sige, huwag na interview. Okay, so ready? In 1, 2, 3, and go. Ayusin mo yung bela ko, babaluktot yan. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, palakparan natin si ate Naka. Ganda maglakad ni Kuya, parang congressman ah. Alright, pangalan to?
My name is JN.
JN? Alright, so how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Ano ba pangarap mo paglaki mo? Maging isang?
Yes.
Yes. Nawala tuloy lang eh. What do you want when you grow up?
A police.
Walis, palakpakan naman natin yung walis natin. Alright, napakaganda pangarap ni ate ah. Ay, di ko na pala. Ano ha? Ay, police! Kala ko walis eh. Okay, so kuya, are you ready?
No.
Yan, magkakalis. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy Roxy.
In 1, 2, 3, and go!
Roxy.
Happy birthday, Roxy. Happy. So, sige, it's okay.
You can do it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Roxy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Birthday, Roxy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, ayun na. Ano po? Eri, how old are you? 10 years old. Alright guys, ready? Please quiet. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Birthday, Riley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, so palakpakan naman natin siya. In 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to me.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin siya. Ito na 100 ton! Wow! Bring me something una-unahan.
What's that say?
Makapadala sa akin ng 1 peso coin! Let's
1
go!
peso! I don't have money here.
1 peso Ay, paunahan, makapagdala sa akin niyong 100 peso bill! Kanina, tahimik lang, biglang bumilis eh. Nagulat ako, nakasabi lang. Alright, so patingin. Ang kalit, ay kuya, wait na, ay! Ay, tabay mo na! Ito yung prices mo. Alright, tas meron ka scissor. Alright, kuya, come here. Yes, okay. Itabi mo na yung scissors, baka matusok. Ay, ito yung wala. Nabibila, nabibila siya yung mga walang nadala. Patagay ko yan, di ba tahimik ka lang ha? Yes, alright. So thank you so much. So kuya, wala kami 500 peso ulit mo. And syempre ito yung prices mo. Alright, thank you so much. Bring me, get ready. Bring me something na una-unahan. Makapagdala sa akin ng 1,000 pesos! Maraming baon yung mama mo ah. Ay, sige lang lang po. Yes, alright. Thank you so much. That's alright guys. Bring me something na una-unahan makapagdala sa akin ng 1 million pesos! The baby, let's go! Yes, alright. Hawak-hawak naman. Talaga, nakakapagdala sa atin ng cellphone! Let's go! Yeah! Ang dami magsasadla ah. Paunahan, mapadala sa akin ng ATM! Let's go! ATM! ATM! ATM machine! Akala ko kung mo talaga yung machine, kinabahan ako sa'yo eh. Alright, so... Let's bring me, get ready. Bring me something na una-unahan. Nakapagdala sa akin ng isa lang yung dadala nyo guys, isa lang. Magdala kayo sa akin ng white hair. Let's go! Tinawag akong mayo. Ma? Alright, so... Pangalan mo? Ang tamang sagot ay? Bini yung kumanta yun eh. Title. Yung title niya. Alright, come on guys, let's go! Ha? Ito, pagbigyan natin to. Okay, mamaya ka na ha. Alright, so... Ang tamang sagot ay?
Mahiwagang salon.
Mali! I'm so sorry! Sit down! Mali po! Come on! Mga adult po natin, pwede rin po sumagot. Maraming title ng music. Ready? Come on! Sa mga adult po, pwede po kayong sumali. Come on guys! I got one by 31. Let's go. Louder please, louder. Pwede mo pa ito, come on. Yes, alright. I'm so sorry. Sabi ko guys, taas kayo lang kamay lakasan nyo. Alright, ang tamang sagot ay... Carrera is wrong! Come on guys! Alright, try. Come on! 1, 0. Alright, so ito, tignan natin kung tama ang sagot niya. Ang tamang sagot ay... Salamin by... Bini, it's correct! Yes! Alright! Yes! Ito, sigurado na to guys. Sigurado na. Ang tamang sagot ay...
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry is correct! Yes! Okay, so ate, dito po tayo. Tamang kinig-kinig lang. Alright, so, ang tamang sagot ay...
Taylor Swift po ba ito?
Taylor Swift po ba ito?
Taylor Swift.
Alright, is correct. Pero kantayin mo muna.
Sample! Sample!
Tay. Okay. Yes. Ang tamang sagot ay... Ano? Islam Dunk is correct! Ang tamang sagot ay... Top of the world is correct! Tom and Joe.
Darna ka!
May una nagtaas ng dami.
Ay!
Pagbigyan natin si Ma'am. Baka magkamali ka pa. Alright, Ma'am. Ang tamang sagot ay...
Totoy Vivo!
Is correct!
Yeah! Ay, sarap!
So, dito mo tayo, Ma'am. Nagulat ako, nakaupo lang, bigay tumayo eh. Bigay nagkain na eh. Ay, sa mga pangalan nito. Rebecca. Ito guys, hindi na natin pakantayin. Basta ito kung sasayawin niya. Pakita po ng sayaw. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Isa pa daw po. Ay, isa pa. Ako pa tayo ba? Ito magaling intro pa lang, alam niya na. Ito yung mga pinapatay ng mga bata, yung mga 90s talaga eh. Alright, so ma'am, ang tamang sagot ay... Great news is correct! Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Sabi dyan, lang. Alright guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Ulit, kita. Ay, hindi ko nakita eh. Nagkausap eh. Ay, isa na lang. Isa. Oh! Happy birthday to number, come on guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, so sa palakpak naman, get ready. Happy birthday to you. Come on, another. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Okay, say happy.
Celine Riley, we wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. And you know that
Tissue! Tissue!
Kayo naman sir, wala pong gayahan. Happy birthday to my daughter. That we meet me and your mama.
Alright guys, palapakan natin si Mami and Daddy. So thank you so much Mami and Daddy. And ito na po ang pinakahihintay nyo guys. Dahil lang kayo dalang glory na pag-birthday wish sila. Kaya nakikita nyo kung paano mag-camera si Mami and Daddy. Alright? Alright, sample, 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 sample.